Original Prusa CORE One Kit Real Review, the enclosed CoreXY that actually delivers results. You're staring at another warped print at 2 in the morning, peeling failed ASA off your bed for the 3rd time this week. Your open-frame printer mocks you while room temperature drops and layers separate like a bad relationship. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Isn't it exhausting fighting your own equipment instead of actually creating things? That suffocating feeling when every material beyond PLA becomes a gamble. Nylon curls, polycarbonate cracks, and you're drowning in wasted filament and stolen hours. You've tried the hacks, the enclosure mods, the endless calibration rituals that never hold. What if control was actually simple? What if the machine just handled it perfectly every time? Stay with me here. Then I plugged in the original Prusa CORE One 3D printer kit, and everything got stupidly quiet. First superpower, the actively heated chamber reaches 55 degrees, meaning ASA, polycarbonate, and nylon print without warping tantrums. Second superpower, automatic load cell calibration delivers perfect first layers without touching a knob. Third superpower, CoreXY kinematics with input shaping let you print fast without ghosting artifacts. Fourth superpower, removable magnetic PEI sheets mean prints pop off with a satisfying flex. Fifth superpower, PLA prints flawlessly with the door sealed because active temperature management prevents heat creep. Sixth superpower, one-click Prusa slicer profiles eliminate guesswork entirely. My near-disaster story? 2:47 a.m., client deadline in 3 hours, carbon fiber nylon prototype needed. I was cooked until this machine handled everything automatically while I drank coffee. The sensation of pulling that warm, dimensionally perfect part off the bed stays with you. Bonus nobody mentions, the draft-free enclosed environment makes even basic PLA noticeably cleaner. Let me bury your doubt under proof. Hours saved from eliminated calibration rituals. Clarity gained from knowing prints will succeed. Performance doubled when you're not reprinting failures. Results that shut rooms up when you hand someone a polycarbonate prototype you printed overnight. One industry analyst reported dimensional accuracy within plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. A major 3D printing influencer confessed this is the printer he recommends regardless of experience level. Cold stat. During a 2-week torture test running 24/7, testers experienced 0 failed prints and 0 jams. At MakerGuy_real posted, replaced 2 machines with 1 Core One. Best decision in years. I watched this happen live. An engineering student assembled the kit herself and printed perfectly the same day. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for automatic calibration, 2 for heated chamber freedom, 3 for reliability. The objection killer? But it's expensive. You know it's expensive? 14 wasted filament rolls, lost weekends troubleshooting adhesion, clients almost lost to warped prototypes. The original Prusa CORE One pays for itself in sanity. This heated chamber is what thousands message me about daily. Drop your biggest printing frustration below. You already know what this means. Ending the frustration cycle and finally owning a machine that respects your time. The original Prusa CORE One delivers exactly that. Join the makers who quietly upgraded their entire workflow, their confidence, and their creative output without announcing it to anyone. First link in description. I pinned it to the top because I'm not letting you miss this. The only question remaining is how long you want to keep fighting printers that fight back. Click it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.